So this is the first snow for Toronto in 2025. It's beautiful. So this is like January 10th, 2025. We haven't had any snow really in December while I was away. And then now that I'm back here, we get some snow, but it's beautiful. The only snow I've had this season was in the mountains in Europe. But here, look how beautiful this is. So here you can see the park downtown in the snow. It looks very beautiful with this stuff here. So this snow is expected to stay for a few days. Usually the snow just melts. So down there's a skating rink, so maybe people can go skating now.